Welcome. Today, let us talk about flower. What is flower? Flower is a modified shoot. Each and every part of flower is a modified leaf. Flower is a modified shoot system. What is shoot system? Usually the parts of plants seen above the surface of the soil is called shoot system, and it consists of stem, leaves, branches, etc. See, flower is a modified shoot. It may be axillary or terminal in position, usually produced in the axils of a modified leaf called bract. Modified leaf called bract. Let's see the parts of a flower. The stalk of flower is called pedicel. A flower with the pedicel is called pedicellate. A flower without pedicel is called sessile. The stalk of flower is called pedicel. The pedicel is usually dilated at the tip, and this dilated portion is called thalamus or torus or receptacle. The tip of pedicel is usually dilated, and this dilated portion is called thalamus or torus or receptacle. Upon the thalamus or torus or receptacle, the four whorls of flowers are arranged. What are the four whorls of flowers? The calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. These are the four whorls of flower. We will see one by one. Bract. I have already told you, usually the flowers are produced in the axils of a modified leaf called bract. In some cases, bracts are brightly colored and very large in shape. The shape of bracts also varies. Flowers possessing bract are called bracteate. Flowers possessing bract are called bracteate. And if it is absent, then it is called ebracteate. Could you follow me? Bracteate and ebracteate. Flowers possessing bract are called bracteate. And even if it is absent, then it is called ebracteate. Then bracteoles. What is bracteoles? Bract-like structures that is located between the bract and the flower are called bracteoles. See, this is leaf-like structure that are located between the bract and the flower. Between the bract and the flower are called bracteoles. Flowers possessing bracteoles are called bracteolate. See, bracteolate. Okay. Then the outermost whorl of a flower. The outermost whorl of a flower, the first whorl of flower is called calyx, and it is made up of sepals. Sepals are modified leaf, are usually green in color. In some flowers, colored sepals are also you can see, and such colored sepals are called petaloid sepals. Colored sepals are called petaloid sepals. Calyx, it is the outermost whorl of a flower, and it is made up of sepals. Sepals are nothing but modified leaf, usually green in color. Exceptions are there. Some flowers have brightly colored sepals, and such sepals are called petaloid sepals. Then if the sepals are free from one another, then it is called polysepalous. And it is fused, then it is called gamosepalous. Right? Polysepalous. These sepals are free from one another. If the sepals are united to form a cup-like structure, then it is called gamosepalous. The sepals sometimes withered away when the flower opens, and such flowers are called caducous. Caducous. Caducous means the sepals withered away when the flowers open, and such flowers are called caducous sepals. Sometimes the sepals withered away after fertilization, and such calyx or sepals are called deciduous sepals, deciduous calyx. In some cases, they are persistent in the fruit. Calyx is persistent in the fruit, and such calyx are called persistent calyx. I will tell you one typical example, brinjal. You can see the persistent calyx there. So that is the outermost word, the first word, calyx. Okay. Then second one is called corolla. It is the second word of a flower. And it is made up of petals. Petals are modified leaf. They are usually brightly colored and variously shaped, strongly scented or without scented to attract insects for pollination. Right? Corolla is the second word of a flower. And it is composed of petals. If the petals are united together, then it is called gamopetalous. Petals are fused. The petals are free from one another. Then it is called polypetalous. So gamopetalous condition is there, polypetalous condition is there. Okay, could you follow me? And the outer two whorls, calyx and corolla, they are called non-essential whorls, and their main function is protection and attraction, and they are called non-essential whorls, otherwise called accessory whorls. Right? They are called accessory whorls. Then out of calyx and corolla, any one whorl is present in a flower. In some cases, you can see only calyx is there. Some cases, you can see only petals are there. If any one whorl is present, then it is called, then the flower is called monochlamydeous. Out of calyx and corolla, either one is present, either calyx or corolla, then it is called, that flower is called monochlamydeous. If both whorls are present, calyx and corolla are present, both whorls are present, then it is called dichlamydeous. Right? These are all the technical terms. If calyx or corolla is present, then it is called monochlamydeous. Both calyx and corolla is present, then it is called dichlamydeous. If both whorls are absent, in some flowers, the calyx and corolla is absent, then it is called achlamydeous flower. Achlamydeous, without calyx and corolla. Okay, could you follow me? Then sometimes, calyx and corolla are not distinguishable from one another. Then it is called perianth, and it is composed of tepals. And it is composed of tepals. Calyx is made up of sepals, corolla is made up of petals, and perianth is made up of tepals. We can't differentiate calyx and corolla. Then it is called perianth lobes, and it is composed of tepals. Right? With this, the outermost two whorls are over. Then the next class we can discuss estivation and the essential whorls. Thank you very much.